In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage orders in Woocommerce. Whether you're new to e-commerce or just need a refresher, managing orders is a crucial component of running an online store. With Woocommerce, this process is simple and efficient, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to WordPress.com. This is your base, where everything starts for building and managing your website. Once you're there, look for the Login option and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. For most of you, though, logging in will be a familiar task. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for your website. It's like the cockpit of an airplane, giving you access to all the tools and options you need to run your site smoothly. Now, let's zero in on managing those orders. Look for the Woocommerce tab in the menu on your dashboard. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will take you into the Woocommerce section of your site, where you can handle everything related to your online store. In the Woocommerce section, you'll see an option labeled Orders. Click on Orders to open a detailed list of all the transactions made in your store. Here's where you can view orders, update them, and keep track of what's being shipped, delivered, or pending. Checking specific orders is simple. Once you're on the Orders page, you can click on any order that you want to inspect more closely. This will open up a detailed view of the individual order. Here you can see all the relevant information, such as customer details, items purchased, and their current status. If you need to make any changes, such as updating the order's status or adding tracking information, you can do so directly in this window. Don't forget to hit Update to save any changes you make. Keeping your order information up to date is crucial for maintaining good customer service and inventory management. And there you have it. Managing orders in Woocommerce is straightforward and keeps everything organized in one place. This ensures that your e-commerce operation runs like a well-oiled machine. Remember, staying on top of your orders is not just about logistics. It's about building a great shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your orders more effectively. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful tips on running your online store. See you in the next video.